I love you. You are my warmth when I am cold. You are my map when I am lost. You are my eyes when I cannot see. You are the calm to my storm. You are the light when I feel dark. I promise to always be the spider on mood list. I promise to try and not get mad at you when you buy new parts for the patrol. I promise to be there for you on your best days and on your worst. I look forward to growing old and crazy with you every day for the rest of my life. And as everyone here knows, I am a very indecisive person. But there is one thing I have never been uncertain of, and that is the love I have for you.
Please know, wherever this love goes, this will be your home. You're never alone. My love, remember you're always enough. Hold on and never give up. You're never alone.
Amy, you look beautiful tonight. I'm proud to be your dad. You've grown into a lovely, caring young woman.
Wherever this love goes.
Amy, since you came into Rick's life some years ago, Rick has always been happy.
I, like Amy, waited patiently for 11 long years, and it killed me not to ask when. Amy, I knew you were the right person for Richard the minute I met you. You have a wonderful, laid-back, honest approach to life. Wishing you both only happiness, lots of love, Mum.
Never would have thought we'd make it here.
You are my best friend, my mentor, my playmate, and my biggest supporter. I promise that I will never ever hire a professional tradesman. I will always try to do it myself. Because for better or worse, it will save us money, and I know that's what makes you happiest. Amy, one of the million reasons I love you is because you are incredibly ambitious. And I say that knowing full well that involves me building an off-grid tiny house in a paddock filled with horses. But I know as long as you're there, I know I'll be happy for the rest of my life. You make me happier than I could have ever imagined. You make me feel more loved than I ever thought possible. You've absolutely made me a better person. I can promise you will never go to bed not feeling loved. I am truly lucky to be a part of your life, which today becomes our life together.
Please know, wherever this love goes, this will be your home. You're never alone.
The love and respect these two have for each other is something I truly admire. Richard is an extremely funny, loyal, caring person who's liked by everyone. These are qualities that he shares with Amy.
I have known Amy for over half my life, and I think I can honestly say she is one of the most kind and genuine people I know. Like Zambreros and a chocolate brownie, or an iced coffee and a road trip, Amy and Richard just work.